Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video we're going to be talking about such negativity around the United States and the market is green, which is insane. Like for example, Fauci says the virus outbreak is going to be very disrupting, could top 100,000 cases a day. Dr. Anthony Fauci says that the new virus in China has traits of a 2009 swine flu and a 1918 pandemic flu. CDC says US is way too much virus to control pandemic as case surge across the country. Biden tells the donors he will end most of Trump's tax cuts, and a lot of you may not like that. Demi slammed Trump after White House briefing for suggesting reports of a Russian bounty are a hoax. 5 negative articles on CNBC pre-market. I'd never seen that before. That is insane. And the market is green. It's green. Like the market doesn't care. Whatever. We're just gonna pump this market up. We don't care about the news headline. It just blows my mind. It blows my mind. And I mean, maybe the Fed is buying stocks and popping the stock market, or I don't know. It blows my mind. All this negative news should be affecting the market negatively, but nope. We have a green market today, and Tesla is at new 52-week highs. No, all-time highs, sorry. It's never been this high before, and it is. Tomorrow's going to be an interesting day. Tomorrow is going to be the news release for the delivery numbers and sales numbers. Manufacturing numbers. So either Tesla is going to $1,200 tomorrow, or it's going to crash. One of the two scenarios is going to happen tomorrow. I'm pretty sure with that. I'm like 90% sure it's either going to go up or going to go down when they release the numbers tomorrow. Maybe it's Thursday they release the numbers, because I know Friday is closed. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, very, very interesting. So I came across a video, the 1500 electric wheeler, 3-wheeler. Tesla's largest competitor. This was made February 12, 2019, almost a year ago. I'm going to play the video and then I'll talk more about it.
All electric like a Tesla, priced like a Ford Fiesta, and one of the weirdest looking vehicles you've ever seen. Introducing the Solo.
A clean energy electric vehicle for one person was an opportunity that was too great not to seize.
The 3-wheel EV costs $15,500 and is being hand-built in Vancouver by Electromechanica. The company has 23,000 Solo pre-orders. To meet demand, it's going to mass-produce an updated model in
20,000 pre-orders. That's what that guy just said in Bloomberg. 20,000 pre-orders. So that's a lot of pre-orders. So, just saying.
China.
The vehicle concept was always to have a vehicle that could be assembled quickly, efficiently, and with high quality in under 3 hours, and that it can.
The Solo has 100 miles of range and charges in 3 hours. It's designed with a specific group in mind.
The company says 83% of North American commuters drive to work alone each day. But the question is whether those commuters would be prepared to drive to work in something like this that you can just fit in.
The company's optimism isn't backed up by the numbers.
7 out of 10 of what the consumer is buying is a truck at this point. So the idea of a single-seater, I think, limits you to a very specific user.
But there are areas Bloomberg Intelligence sees as more promising. Electromechanica is looking at car sharing, and 7-Eleven and DHL are already testing for deliveries.
You don't need to have 2 seats in a delivery vehicle. You've got 1 employee. Why is the second seat there?
Investors still need convincing. Shares have fallen since the company IPO'd on the Nasdaq last August. But CEO Kroll says the Solo will be profitable.
25% gross profit is built into the design of the car, and that's absolutely fine.
The company hopes to deliver 5,000 China-produced Solos in 2019, then a further 20,000 in 2020. Longer term, production could be brought back home. General Motors announced in October it was closing its Oshawa site after more than 100 years of manufacturing in Canada. CEO Kroll says the company is interested in the site. They're also eyeing more passengers with a sporty two-seater all-electric Roadster. But can it handle the challenge of meeting billions of dollars worth of pre-orders? Ed Ludlow, Bloomberg News, Vancouver.
I thought that was an interesting video, and just looking at Solo's market cap of 141 million, it seems slightly cheap, but it could go lower. We can see this thing at $1, which would make it 50 million bucks. It was at $1 not too long ago, like a month ago. It was like $1.14. So it could totally go back down to $1. Totally go back down to $1, and you know it'll be worth $50 million, less than $50 million at $1. That would be like real cheap. So I don't really think it's gonna head back down to $1 unless Tesla crashes and drags everything down with it. But again, I could be wrong, and we'll see what happens. I'm still a shareholder, and right now I would be considered a bag holder because I'm losing money on my position. The very good company today, weak volume, only 469,000 shares traded. Beyond Meat today was only up $2.43. The market's officially closed. Workhorse today is up 20%. It was up way more in the morning, pulled back, and is only up 11 cents after hours now. Obviously, rich people really like this company. Do you know that this company had a reverse split at one point? You probably didn't know that. Not a lot of people did. But yet, look at this stock, 17 bucks with a reverse split. So it's been like this stock has never been this high before, and it had a reverse split too. So do your research on the company. I remember investing. I remember my friend told me about this company back in 2018. I think around like here, and I was looking into it and just had a reverse split. So definitely do your research. Just letting you know. Tortoise acquisition, and I told you guys that it would crash, and here's the crash. Will it continue? Will it go all the way down to $20 US? It's totally possible. Like I said, there was a little bit of excitement for this. It popped the stock, and now big money is taking profits. If you are holding it, you're gambling that it's gonna go higher. What? I have no idea. Nikola Motors. This stock shouldn't be at 24 billion, but rich people don't care. They want to leave it at 24 billion for now, anyways. Blink was up 40% after hours, pulled back. Carnival down 36 cents. Aurora had a nice little pop near the end of the day. Not too much to say about that. Canopy is down, still down 12 cents, but you know, just volatile, up 2 cents after hours. Kron was very volatile today. Hexo is up 3 cents after 0.3 cents today. Afria was up 3 cents today. Oh, I guess it wasn't really up today. Harvest Health, don't know. Oh, up 8 cents today. Liberal Health Science traded sideways today, and it's actually down quite a bit after hours. Space had a nice little rocket today. It had an upgrade. Virgin Galactic, a buy at Vertical Research. The stock price implies a near doubling. Kept his stock price target at $29, which is 89% above current levels. That, you know, that's a pretty big pump. I do have call options on it. I don't really own shares anymore. I did, but I don't because I was thinking the stock price was going to go lower. But it had a nice pop. Kind of regretting it a little bit that I sold. Oh well, that's life. Madman is trading sideways. Kira is up 13 cents. Acreage is trading sideways. And High Tide, I don't know why I have this one up. I was looking at it. High Tide had a nice pop near the end of the day. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.